Welcome back. So in the previous video, we had gone through the Elementor templates for header and footer. Now, before we move forward and look at the templates for the single post or single pages, we should first create some dummy posts on our website. Now, we can do this very easily using a plugin called FakerPress. So let's create some dummy posts on our website so that we can use them while we are testing the Elementor single post template. So are you ready? Let's go. All right. So to get started with the FakerPress plugin, we need to first go to the plugin section over here and click on add new plugin. Then we click on the search option over here and enter FakerPress. Now this is the plugin that I was talking about. It's called FakerPress. So we click on install. You can read over here, it says FakerPress is a clean way to generate fake and dummy content to your WordPress. Great for developers who need testing. So we are anyway creating some dummy content, some dummy post for our website. Alright, so FakerPress is now installed on the website. Now let's click on activate to activate the plugin. Now that the plugin is activated, we need to go to this option in the left hand side bar which says FakerPress and go to settings, click on posts. Now here you can tell FakerPress how many posts do you want to create. So let's say we want maybe 6 testing posts, so just enter 6 here. We can start the we can enter the date range. So for example, we can say I want the post to be generated from 25th December to 4th January. Okay. The type is post. There is no parent. We can allow comment or not allow comment on these particular posts. We can remove comments because anyway, this is a testing post. What should be the size? 5 to 15 paragraphs is fine. Images, it will automatically pick up images from these two sources. Excerpt size. So excerpt is a short introduction of your post. So it will be maybe give a 1 to 3 paragraph long excerpt. It will pick up whatever taxonomies like tags and categories you already have on your website. And that's it. So you can directly now click on generate to create some fake posts on your website. Let's do that. So now FakerPress is working on generating some fake post that we can use for testing when we start working with the single post templates on Elementor. Let's wait for it to finish its work. All right. So now it says that it has faked 6 and this is the ID of each of those posts. So it has created 6 fake posts and their ID is 211, 214, 215, 216, 219 and 221. So now how do we see those posts? So for that we have to go to this section called posts. Let's go there and click on all posts. Now you can see there are these six posts created by FakerPress and all of them have been given different dates. This one is of 25th December. This one is of 26th December, 29th December. This one is also 29th December. This is 1st Jan. This is 4th Jan. So now you have some fake content on your website that you can use for testing. Let's go inside one of this. So we can just click on this edit and see what's inside this post. So you can see it has picked up a dummy image as your content image over here. The dummy title, there are some more dummy images, some dummy text over here. This text means nothing. It's all gibberish, but it's just for a placeholder so that we can see how our content looks on our website. Yeah, it has created this fake post for you. We can see something else. We can also look at this one. Here also it has added the title, some content, image. It has not given any featured image for this particular post, but at least you have some content as a placeholder over here. We can also see how this content looks on our website by clicking on this view button. So now you can see our header is here, then you can see the content, the title of the content, the images, and our footer. So now this is how the content looks like, the post looks like on our website. So let's go back. From here, when you bring your cursor on top of the website name, you can click on dashboard to go back. So we are back here. So like this, we can easily create some fake content for our website. So the FakerPress plugin also helps you create some comments or some fake users when you're testing your website, so that you can test your website for different scenarios. So it's a very user-friendly plugin. You don't have to do many settings over here. You can directly get in and start building your fake content. That's it with this plugin. In the next video, let's start working with the Elementor single post templates. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, you can maybe also create some fake content on your website using the FakerPress plugin. So till then, have a good time, and I'll see you in the next video.